a lot of people are thinking, sounds maybe misheard. Too good to be true. In the same way, when you say, hey, I got a property, the rent's $695, you can swap it and get $3,000 a month. A lot of people are like, really? That just doesn't sound quite right. And then guess what? Bang, someone else comes along and takes it. Yes or no? Yeah. So, you know, you got to be starting to take action right now. That's why I'm going to get you to do an exercise in a moment with your partners. The prize is no better than cash. All right? You're going to get £100 each. Okay? So you got 15 minutes and go. If you ran 5 or more, raise your hand. 10 or more. 15 or more. Wow. 20 or more. 30 or more. What the heck? All right, jump on stage. All right, so. Oh, so Nick. Wow, really? Okay. Something in the genes. All right, so Nick and what's your name, Mr. Wales? Jason. All right, cool. Nick and Jason found 52 potential rent-to-rents. So Nick, tell me about them. Where did you look? What happened?
So we've done different cities. We've thought about the type of guests we'd have. So we did big cities. So we started with Nottingham. Then we went more touristy, but also quite work-based. So we did Edinburgh as well and Glasgow. And then you did Bournemouth.
Nice.
So we did a few places.
All right, so pass the mic over. So what was the biggest lesson you learned from this exercise?
I didn't realise how many there were out there. There's loads.
Right. How many realise there's a lot of leads out there? Okay, good. Nick, what about yourself? What did you learn?
It's not just tourists. There's a lot of different people looking for somewhere to stay. So
yeah. So you found 52. Now here's what's going to happen, right? Imagine if you two messaged every single one of those people that you found. Now, some people, what they do, they come on the serviced accommodation intensive and they go, I don't want to message anybody. I need to do due diligence first. But there's no point doing half an hour's worth of due diligence on one property to message them just to get told, oh, it's gone. So what you want to do is you want to message. Imagine if you guys messaged all 52. It might be that 10 of them, the landlord doesn't even respond. 10 of them, the landlord responds and says, it's gone. 10 of them, the landlord responds and then finds out you want to do a corporate let and says no. 10 of them are rubbish. And 12 of them are really decent. And out of those 12, 2 of them come off, which will be about £500, £1,000 for each of you per month from just that little bunch of leads that you found. You know? So, really excited from you guys. And as I said, I did promise that the prize for the person that booked the most viewings would get £10 each. So, what did I say? Did I say £20 each? Oh, £100 between the 2 of them. £100 each. Damn, have I even got that much in my? Let me see. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 100. So congratulations, my brother. Congratulations, nice job. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 100 for you as well. Well done, man. Massive congrats. Can we give these guys a massive big hand? All right, go and grab a seat. Go and grab a seat. Go and grab a seat. All right? So, and listen, let me tell you something. The money that they just made, okay, that little £100, imagine that. Imagine getting that every single day. Every single day. From a property that you do not own. That's what happens when you learn to find these deals.
Hi, I'm Jason. I'm from Wales.
And my name's Nick and I'm from Leicester. So as you can see, we've got quite a bit of money in our hands. What happened was we were told to find several leads live at this event, which is crazy. So not only are we learning, we're actually applying the knowledge straight away and actually getting rewarded for it as well.
We're surprised to see how many leads are out there in the short period of time that we've had and the short bit of training that we've had.
Brilliant. And how many leads did you guys find?
53 in total.
53 leads. And were you both able to find leads before coming to the event today?
No, this is the first time we've done it.
How about yourself?
Yeah, not like this. Not like this. Normally you're not as motivated, but coming here and being around people that want the same thing is such a big motivation.
Well, anybody can do it. I mean, this is my first day and I've just done it.
And yeah, sometimes you just need that time limit just to crack on and go do it and be around people that are doing great things as well, and you'll be fine.